Alright, jom get ready with me to go out with my friends today. Recently, my skin baru recover sikit daripada breakout tau. So, I decide untuk simplify my routine and focus on one thing. And actually, the reason I nak betulkan I punya routine properly sebab hari tu I ada tengok wayang tau. And then, I nampak this huge bioessence punya billboard dekat luar. And I was like, maybe my skin also need this. Then, I baca yang this is the first Japan Nano Ceramide technology. So, I pun try. And honestly, no regret. So, the first thing yang I tukar is my cleanser. Bila muka korang breakout, cleanser sangatlah penting. This cleanser cleans my skin properly tapi tak adalah rasa kering sangat. So, muka I rasa comfortable and still hydrated. Lepas breakout, baru I sedar. Even oily skin pun still need moisture. If tak hydrate, lagi senang kulit nak breakout. So, after cuci muka, I akan pakai this serum. This serum is lightweight gila, cepat serap and tak melekit langsung. Day by day, my skin kurang redness and tak gatal-gatal dah. After that, I akan lock everything dengan this moisture cream. It keeps hydrating but not heavy at all. Kulit rasa soft, fresh and stable. If your skin selalu breakout and merah-merah, this is your sign to try this bioessence moisture series. Korang boleh